My name is Jake Weiss. I'm a project manager for Soukup Construction. Been here a little over 4 years. I started as an operator and recently transitioned into the office. I started as a top man for a pipe crew and transitioned into machinery shortly after that, and pretty soon I was running some smaller jobs and got a little taste of the bigger jobs. I take a job from its inception, from the time we learn that we're awarded it, and put a schedule together and work with our superintendents in our house and work with subcontractors alike to coordinate the execution of the job. The type of job that they start me with is some of the road construction, parking lots, a little more of the less complex work that we do, but I've also been involved in some of the bridge demos, and like the parking ramp structure going on at the airport right now is something I have an active hand in. You know, if somebody needs a question on material delivered, how much have we brought to a job site? How many hours have we spent doing this? You know, and tracking those quantities is something that I do on a pretty regular basis. And usually we have estimators and project managers kind of overlapping roles. The overall workload in this community is so great that we are expanding and adding different roles. For instance, I know we're in the market for another project manager like myself, so that we can just have our estimators estimating jobs and then have our project managers kind of, after they kick off, they're making things, you know, work with hand in hand with our superintendents. We just kicked off a relatively large project, actually a couple of them neighboring right next to each other in the northwest part of town. The FedEx freight will be a large parking lot and building, and then Foundation Park North. We're expanding just to the north of Amazon. I think it's 1.5 miles worth of street work, you know, sanitary sewer and water services going in, and before too long we'll be bidding on buildings and structures, you know, doing the dirt work for those projects as well. So it's never ending. This is the place to be if you're looking to be challenged. I love my job at Soukup Construction.